Hey there, sir. My name's Dylan Tillett. I'm the pharmacist here at Sullivan University.
Nice to meet
What
you.
can I do for you?
So, one of my friends, he does drugs, and I also kind of do drugs,
Okay.
and we were talking about it, and we've known a couple people in the community who have gotten HIV over the years, and he doesn't think he has it, and I don't think I have it. But we want to be safe. We heard about some medicines that can prevent that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
Yeah.
just I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what it is and if it's worth my time.
Right.
Things like that.
Absolutely. Well, it's great that you're, trying to get yourself protected against this. There are medicines that can help you with that and can sort of prevent you from getting HIV. One of them is called Truvada. And so I just wanted to ask, how do you feel about taking medicines? Do you think you can kind of stay on a schedule?
Yeah, I'd say I'm pretty good at it. I think I take a daily blood pressure medicine.
You do? Okay.
So
That's good.
So I can just pop it in.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. So this medicine Truvada is a pill, and it's just a one time a day, but you have to take it every day in order for it to be effective.
Okay.
And so some of the good things about it is it will prevent you from contracting HIV both through blood transmission, which would be like needles, and as well it will prevent you from contracting HIV sexually. So those are both two good things to sort of prevent against, because those are the main pathways which HIV is transmitted. I would highly recommend this drug. It sounds like you could be at risk through your drug use to contracting HIV. So I would highly recommend this drug for you. And just so you know, I don't know how much you know about HIV, but nowadays especially, it's very dangerous because it can lead to autoimmune disorders, which would be AIDS. And with COVID and the flu, that can be really life-threatening. So I'm very happy that you came to me with this. Does this sound like something that you would be interested in doing?
I think it sounds good because I don't want to get AIDS.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So any way I can, I think that'd be the best.
Yeah.
So.
And yeah, that's great. So we can set that up, and we can talk to a doctor about getting you prescribed Truvada.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Awesome. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Now we got to talk about it.
Yeah. What exactly? So just talk about what could have gone better.
Yeah. So I don't know if I'll pull this a bit closer. I found it hard to not be offensive and you're at risk, or you know, or a needle drug user.
Yeah, I think me being a patient, if you had a patient like me, that would honestly be the easiest scenario.
Yeah.
Because they are open about their use.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. I think this was probably the easier patient to discuss it with.
Yeah.
Especially, how willing you were to talk about your drug use.
Yeah.
To a healthcare provider. I think potentially, I don't know, it seemed like I talked a lot. Potentially I could have let you speak more, or asked you more about your awareness of HIV, and let you sort of demonstrate your knowledge about it.
Yeah.
Instead of just overpowering you.
Because I guess so, yeah. Because if I in the scenario I said that we had people we knew people who had HIV and stuff like that, you'd be like, okay, well, what do you know about HIV?
Yeah, that'd be
that
good.
kind of thing.
Yeah, I don't know. I think, at least from my perspective, professional conduct and interpersonal relations, I feel like that was fine. Connecting with you,
Yeah,
introducing myself.
Talking like a person is always the way to go.
I think maybe providing, I think in this particular example, like providing information about HIV, like how many people have it, or what the CDC says about it, wasn't necessary because the patient was already sort of interested in it.
Yeah.
I didn't need to really convince them. It was more giving them tools and letting them know what was out there, and then sort of like affirming their belief that this was the right thing to do.
Yeah. Like, I had something there. Yeah, because like I think if you give them information like who has it, how many people have it, blah, and all these different things, it no longer becomes a motivational interview at that point. It's more of like scare tactics.
Yeah.
Of like, you're gonna die, you need this medication. Whereas like a motivational interview would be like, kind of like how you did, where like, well, this would be really good for you. It'll help prevent getting this, and it'll just improve your overall health or improve your chances, instead of being like, you're gonna die. Like,
I think overall my tone was good. I think the conversation was good. There may have been some pieces that I could have done differently, letting you speak more, assessing your knowledge on the topic. But I think overall it went pretty well.
yeah, I think so.
All right.